Hi there, and welcome to Google Classroom with Mike. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a rubric in Google Classroom within Google Classroom itself. There are a couple of different options that we can do for rubrics. One, creating it in Classroom itself, and two, creating it through a spreadsheet. That spreadsheet option is a little bit more advanced, so we'll do that in another video. So, as always, please head to classroom.google.com and select the class that you'd like to use while following along with me. I'll use my demo class. And to create a rubric, we first need to create an assignment that rubric is going to be used for. So I'll create an assignment. We'll call this one Assignment with Rubric. All right, and over here to the left, we'll see, just like we did with the first assignment, the classes that it'll go to, the students, the category, we're going to go into assignments, the due date, we'll post the due date for Wednesday, and the topic will be assignments. Now, down here at the bottom, as long as we have a title for our assignment, we'll be able to create a rubric. So let's hit the plus sign on rubric, and we're going to create rubric. Now we have the template for creating a rubric. If I want to be able to use the rubric for scoring, we need to have this slide bar blue for use scoring. If we just wanted the rubric for students to look at and not use as a grade, we can turn it off. Okay, but you saw that warning. If I had created the rubric with the point values and slid this across, it would delete those point values. So let's turn scoring back on. We're going to go descending point order. And title, let's say style. We can give it a description. How well you styled your assignment. Points, we'll give this 1 point, and we'll do 2 points here, and we'll do 3 points here, and we'll do 4 points here. Now, this will switch around because I've ordered the points by descending order, so it'll switch when I actually have the rubric. And let's just give this one a title and say awesome, and then we'll say yes, and then we'll say almost, and then we'll say working on it. And then in each one, you can give it a little description. And then in the 3 buttons, in case you don't want that one there, you can delete the whole thing. Okay? So that's one criteria. And then to add another criteria, we would have to go up here and duplicate criterion. And then we can reword it. And then in these 3, pull down buttons, it's to delete the rubric. So let's just leave it like this with 1 criteria, and we'll click save. And here we go. So now rubric, 1 criteria, 4 points, going to this assignment. Let's add our assignment now. So from my Google Drive, I will select assignment number 2. Just right here. And once everything's ready to go and I can see that I've got my rubric posted, we'll click assign. And when it's done, you'll see that this window will close, and in my assignments, I have assignment with rubric, and it is due on April 22nd. So, as a review, our rubric was created after we named our assignment. I was able to use different criteria. I only selected 1 for this one. My point values were set at descending order, and I'm going to use it as a scoring rubric. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.